So sometimes I'm lazy. I'm so lazy that I don't want to wipe down my dining table. And through that laziness, I formed a question. Why should I have to wipe my own table? Don't make any sense. We have machines that make our coffee. We have machines to clean our clothes. Heck, we even have machines to clean our butts. That's my personal favorite. So with this in mind, I sought out an answer. I went to the farthest reaches of South Florida, to my parents' house, to recruit a master builder to help me answer my problems, aka my father. Here's what we made. So before I show you this baby in action, let me tell you about this valve. So this is a 5x2. It's meant for a double action cylinder. I, however, have a single action cylinder. But who cares? How did I get through that? So my dad had a great idea, and we just clogged this part right here with a bunch of bicycle rubber and some plastic from old prescription bottles. But how is this going here? It's not. All we did was zip tie it to the side, just to make it look cool, and honestly, I think it looks pretty cool. The second problem is, actually, I want you to see it. So let's go ahead and show you what went wrong. I'm ready when you are.
Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready. Hey, so I hope you liked that video. We really only took about 3 hours in making this. There was a lot of planning behind it, but either way, for something so simple, I didn't want to make a huge video about it. But if you liked it, please hit like. If you want to see what I'm going to make next, hit subscribe. If you have any questions or want to say anything, yell at me down below. Anyways, have a nice one.